Hi friends, let me share with you my Lechon Paksiw version. In the Philippines, lechon is one of the famous dishes. And when there's leftover, we cook Lechon Paksiw. Here are the ingredients. We have the chopped lechon, ground black pepper and black peppercorn, salt, white vinegar, garlic, magic syrup if you have, and bay leaves. So, first of course we have to prepare the garlic and the other ingredients. This time we have to put the chopped lechon in a pot. Now let's add all the ingredients. So we add the garlic, then we put the ground black pepper, then we add the black peppercorn. It will make our lechon paksiw smell good. And then we have to put salt, then we add also white vinegar. If you feel that the vinegar is so strong, you can add a little water. Then we added 1 cup of water because we have to boil this lechon paksiw until it becomes tender. When this is cooked, this is really tasty. And this is one of the favorite dishes of the Filipinos, Lechon Paksiw. It's yummy. We also put bay leaves and it will smell so good. I also put magic syrup seasoning, or it's up to you whatever is your seasoning. Then you have to cook this one until tender. Now our Lechon Paksiw is cooked already and it's ready to serve.